Welcome to our channel. If you want to build an emergency fund to protect yourself from financial setbacks, follow these step-by-step instructions to create a safety net. Step 1. Determine your target amount by calculating 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Step 2. Open a dedicated high-yield savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Keep this money separate from your regular checking account to avoid the temptation of spending it on non-emergencies. Step 3. Start small by setting an initial goal of $1,000, which covers most common emergencies like car repairs or medical bills. This milestone provides immediate protection while you work toward your larger goal. Step 4. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund right after each paycheck deposits. Treating savings like a mandatory bill ensures consistent progress. Step 5. Cut unnecessary expenses temporarily and redirect that money to your emergency fund. Review subscriptions, dining out, entertainment, and other discretionary spending to find extra money to save. Step 6. Add windfalls to your emergency fund, including tax refunds, work bonuses, cash gifts, or money from selling items you no longer need. These larger deposits can significantly accelerate your progress. Step 7. Define what constitutes a true emergency before you need to use the fund. Legitimate emergencies include job loss, medical expenses, urgent home repairs, or car problems, not vacations or shopping. Step 8. Replenish your emergency fund immediately after using it by resuming or increasing your automatic transfers until the account returns to your target amount. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.